Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact customer support on Binance. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and type Binance in the search bar. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you don't face any issues. Once the update is complete, open the Binance app. Now, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From here, scroll down and tap on More Services. After that, scroll all the way down and find Customer Support, then simply tap on it. You will be taken to the support page. Here, tap on Get Support, and you'll be redirected to the chat section. In this chat, you can easily describe your problem. If you want to talk to a real customer support agent, just mention it in the chat, and Binance will connect you with a live representative. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.